Hi everyone, today I am out of the classroom, so this is the reason why you're watching this video. Go ahead and you're going to start working on your math activities like you normally would. So here you have your two numbers. I want you to write them in expanded form and word form, okay? Remember, you can drag the yellow boxes to make them bigger, like this, and you can move your numbers, that way you have more space. Okay, next you will work on money. Make sure you put your money here, so it's $2 and how many cents do you have? Do you have 38 cents, 52, or 42? Write it right here. Okay, the same goes for the following three activities. When you're done with money, you did your number sense, then you did your money. Now you're going to work on addition. Take out your journal and start writing these numbers. So you're going to do 45 plus 45. You add them in your journal and you write your answer here. Okay? You have another slide with more addition problems. For math intervention, go to page 89 of your practice book. Start working on the activity there. When you are complete, go ahead and go to PathBlazer for 30 minutes. For reading, abre tu libro Mi Visión, ve a página 207, vas a trabajar en la palabra cultura. ¿Ok? Quiero que pienses en este vocabulario, ¿qué significa cultura? Y vas a escribir aquí, dice, completa la siguiente red de palabras con otras palabras que tengan que ver con cultura. ¿Qué es la cultura? ¿Ok? Cuando termines, puedes ir a PathBlazer y esta vez haces reading. Reading PathBlazer. Vamos a continuar con escribiendo nuestro Sinquan poem. So vas a trabajar en tu tablita. Vas a ir a Specials. Vas a hacer PE. Cuando termines puedes ir a Zora, leer un libro y luego hacer un AR. Okay. A la de 1 a 1:30 puedes tomar tu lonche y luego hacemos science, okay? For science today, your mission is, if we could talk, explain the effects of environmental factors of living things by creating puppets and dialogue. So just like in drama, we have been reading about different drama stories. Those are scripts. So you're going to do the same. This time, you can use a spoon, like a plastic spoon, or you can use popsicle sticks. And you're going to create an animal. It says, create a stick puppet to represent an animal and a plant. Writing a rough draft and a final copy of animals and plant dialogue that explains how changes in rainfall, temperature, or the amount of daylight affects the growth and behavior of living things. Draw sketches to show how changes in the rainfall, temperature, or amount of daylight affects the growth and behavior of living things. Number 4, preparing a presentation packet to display your writing and sketches and also to act as a backdrop of your puppets. So today, these are the materials you could use. If you have manila paper, you can color it, and you can use that for you can use a plastic spoon or fork or popsicle sticks. And then you can make your puppet. You won't need a piece of paper, so you can make your story. Okay? All right, and I gave you an example here. Upload your puppet and dialogue script of environmental factors. Here's an example. Okay, so here you have a spoon, and they used it for a fox. Here you have a turtle. They just use construction paper, and this is a ladybug. So you will do a plant and an animal of your choice. So it could be in the forest, it can be in the desert, in tundra, or in the jungle. And here's an example of a dialogue. So see, it says, animals, it's hot and it's sunny this summer day. So where are they at? Probably in the jungle, right? It says rhino. Deep in the jungle, the animals say. Zebra. Here comes the lion, the king of this land. Monkey. He's big and he's strong and proud. So this is one script, so you can do yours. Use this checklist to make sure that you're doing what is asked. Okay? If you can please upload your picture of your puppet and then a picture of your dialogue. Ok, para estudios sociales, dice, haz la línea cronológica de Jesse Owens en orden. Ok, so aquí está su vida. Tú vas a poner qué pasó en 1913, 1932, 1935, 1936 y 1980. Presiona aquí, click here, para leer la biografía de Jesse Owens. Ok, entonces aquí te va a llevar al libro. Un momento, ahí está.
Hi, scholars. Welcome back to Read Aloud. I'm excited today because...
Ok, y ella te va a leer el libro de Jesse Owens. Ok, cuando termines en tu libreta, haz la línea cronológica. También vas a leer el libro de Martin Luther King y también vas a hacer su línea cronológica. Presiona aquí y aquí está el libro de Martin Luther King. Cuando hayas terminado tus actividades, puedes leer libros en Tumble Books y puedes tomar examen de AR. Recuerda que esta semana, entre más libros leas, más posibilidades tienes de ganarte un premio cada día. ¿Ok? Cuando termines, ponle turn in y pues ya está. Nos vemos mañana. Hasta luego.